One way to think about voltage that tends to help students is to use an analogy, which is a story that illustrates an idea. So when we're talking about voltage, can we think about what happens to water inside of a bucket? So for example, if I have a bucket almost full to the top of water, that water doesn't move yet, but there is a very high pressure available. And it's this pressure that is very similar to the pushiness that electrons feel in the form of voltage. Now, if I were to poke some holes in the bucket, one near the middle and one down near the bottom, the water would behave differently coming out of that bucket. The water coming out of the top hole would only dribble out because the water is pushing. There's a very small amount of water pushing the water out of the hole. And this is pretty good at visualizing what low voltage is like for electrons. If there's a little push, you get a little bit of electrons. But on the alternative, if I poke a hole in the bottom of the bucket, you have all of this water pushing the water out the hole, and you get high voltage or high pushiness of electrons. And so this is the way that a lot of teachers explain the concept of voltage.